take the risk. Purchase. Ah! It can't be real. Each one? Different powers? Let me get this straight. I use this stuff right here, and it gives me unique abilities depending on which butter I actually use for my beard. But at the same time, it could attract members of the underworld. It could attract evil. I think it's worth the risk. I'm gonna try it. Alright, so literally, here goes nothing. See it's okay? Whoa, what's going on? Whoa! Oh my god! Holy hell, this feels amazing. It's amazing I can actually use this product and actually give you powers. It gives you some type of special ability depending on which one you use. That is awesome. I haven't really noticed anything out of the ordinary as it was listed here, but like, what the hell? What? Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Is that what I think it is? I'm gonna check it out. This isn't good. Holy hell. Are you kidding me? A freaking werewolf? Oh my god. Alright. Hold on. Stay calm. Break out the beard justice. We gotta put some of this in. Alright, here it goes. Come on. Coming. I feel it working. Alright, the beard is electrified. Let's go face the enemy. Whew! It's dangerous out there. Hey, what's up, my bearded brothers, my brethrens in the bearded designer bearded jester coming at you live. With a beard company you definitely should keep your eye on. This company we're going to be talking about today is absolutely legendary in the bearded community. They're extremely well known for their amazing scents. Their amazing cologne scents. Their company has done amazing things and still doing amazing things for the bearded community by providing such an amazing product that I'm going to be going over today. This company is literally on fire. So this company we'll be talking about today is BALM! Beard Justice! Oh, do the hero voice. When you say Beard Justice, you gotta say it in a certain tone. My bad. Beard Justice! Now that's more like it. I had the blessed opportunity to try this company's beard butter as well as beard oil. He actually sent me, I believe it's a majority of his line of his cologne scented products. Alcohol free. This company here is absolutely legendary for the cologne scented products. There is no company in the beard industry that has done cologne scented beard products like this company here. Talking about Beard Justice, the man, the myth, the legend. Where is he? Oh, homie, don't be teleporting like that. This is the man, Beard Justice, the creator, father, and founder of this awesome company. Sir Justice, I, the Jester, would like to pronounce you the Cologne King. Put a crown on it, homie. Put a crown. There you go. Official Cologne King of the bearded community. All right, let's get into it. My bearded brothers, my brothers in the beard, we're going to be going over their butters first and then their oils. And mind you, I want to make it very, very, very clear. I know some people hear cologne and automatically think alcohol. There is absolutely zero alcohol and absolutely zero ingredients that can harm your skin as well as the hair on your face. This company uses nothing but natural and organic ingredients. So your pretty beard is safe. With cologne scented products, it is kind of hard to describe cologne scented products because it's cologne. But I am going to give you the description of how it makes me feel, how I think it smells, and I give you a breakdown, somewhat of an idea how and what type of cologne it smells like. The first scent we're going to be talking about is BALM! Pillow Talk. First, let's go over the tin that is in. It is in a 2-ounce container, all solid black plastic. Pretty basic label, nothing crazy, nothing too fancy, straight to the point. Great logo, well-known lettering right there. Beard Justice. This is their Pillow Talk, an absolutely fantastic scented beard product. This stuff smells so freaking good. I wish it was in a 4-ounce or even like a 3-ounce or a 3.5 ounce or a 10 ounce. But you do get a whole solid 2 ounces of product in here, and it smells, like I said, it smells so good. Now we're going to test out the consistency of this product. When I first started using it, it smells so good. The consistency, I would say, is like more of like a creamy type consistency. I don't know if you can see it right there. Very soft, creamy consistency. I like it a lot. It's a very light hold right here. Look at that. Look at that. Melts perfectly in the hand. Like I said, creamy. There's no micro beading. There's no chunks in there or anything like that. It melts down absolutely perfect. And when you rub it in the hand, even before you rub it in the hand, literally, when you open that container, you just smell that beautiful cologne scented product. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I would describe their beard butter more of a hydrating, deep conditioning style butter. Little to no hold, but it does relax the hairs really, really well. I'm going to be honest, I have a curly beard, and I have this product in right now. And as you can see, there's not too many flyaways. So if you do have an unruly beard, this does relax the hairs very, very little. But like I'm telling you, the hydrating features, the deep conditioning is where it's at. Now their Pillow Talk. I would describe this scent obviously as a cologne scent, but to me, it's more of like that sweet cologne scent. I think the name Pillow Talk is absolutely perfect. Because if you have this in the beard and you're next to your woman, you can definitely do Pillow Talk. I can guarantee if your woman smells that up in your beard, oh, it's gonna be a good night for you. On to the next scent for Beard Justice. BAM! No contest. Perfect name because there's absolutely no contest at all or competition that's competing with this cologne king himself, Beard Justice. What else is awesome about their beard products? Not only does it smell really well, they use, like I said, organic and natural ingredients as well. They utilize organic cocoon butter as well as organic mango butter. And as far as their oils, they use sunflower seed oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and castor oil. 4 premium grade oils to make your beard and the skin beneath your beard feel absolutely phenomenal. Well, back to their no contest. Again, this is their cologne scented product. Smells absolutely great. It smells refreshing. This cologne, I would describe it. The last one was more sweet. This one was more of like a clean, fresh, it's like I would say like a sporty scent almost. That's what I'm getting. Everybody has their own personal preference when it comes to scents. But that's the type of scent I'm getting from this. Very, very clean, very fresh, and very awakening as well. It's very like almost like an energetic smell.
On to the next scent from Beard Justice.
Bam! Mad Max! This one I actually haven't used yet, but it does smell great. Again, that patented great cologne scent. I'm getting more of like a soft, sweet, scented styling cologne scent right here. Yeah, almost like an old school kind of sweet scent. Very good, very satisfying. Not one of my favorite scents out of the bunch, but I definitely do not mind I wouldn't mind wearing this. I haven't used this yet, but just to give you an idea of the consistency, I know I showed you before, but this is how it looks straight out of the bottle. So if you just dip your finger in there, like I said, it's like cream. Look at that. Perfect shot. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That's actually a lot. There's way too much for my beard. I'm not there yet. You put it up in here. Again, you know, now that the air hits it, now it's in the skin. It is definitely a light scented cologne smell. It's more like a soft cologne smell. Man, it smells amazing. And mind you, my bearded brothers, these scents from Beard Justice last literally hours and hours. This is one of the few products that I actually put on once and it lasts the whole day, where I don't have to put a second application of butter or oil. I'll give this scent duration a solid 12 hours, 8 to 12 hours. The next scent we're going to be going over is actually one of my favorite. Bam! The birthday suit! Oh, damn. That's right, the birthday suit, my bearded brother. This is absolutely my favorite scent out of probably all the products. Probably one of my favorite scents out of all the products that he let me test. Oh, this is more exciting than I could describe. Birthday suit to me is such a masculine, manly, alpha male scent. My bearded brothers, I could almost guarantee if you put this up in your beard, whether you're with your girl, with your wife, or out clubbing with your boys, I guarantee you're gonna get compliments of this scent. But if you like a really nice, masculine, scented, cologne-scented product, this right here is for you, my bearded brothers. You have a beard, you're a masculine man, you wanna wear something up in your beard that smells masculine and alpha. Birthday suit, hands down my favorite. Oh my God, not again!
The next awesome scent from Beard Justice is...
BALM! Capital Offense! I haven't put this scent in my beard just yet, but I have smelled it. I'm getting more of like a musky, sporty scented cologne. Very nice. I like it. Not one of my favorites again, but definitely satisfying. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take some out, rub it in the hand, and I'm gonna do the smell test like that. Because you can't truly test an item, a product, just by smelling it right out of the tin. Rubbing in the hand and putting it in the beard and going throughout the day can improve or enhance the product's smell. Yeah, I get that like a musk type cologne scent. I like it. I definitely see myself wearing it. I definitely will wear it, but not one of my favorites. The last scent I'm going to be reviewing today is a great one. Again, BAM! Chin Music. Another long-lasting, satisfying, great-smelling, manly cologne scent. I use quite a lot on this one. Like I said, my bearded brethren, the consistency on all of them are basically the same, exactly the same. It has fantastic organic ingredients and phenomenal carrier oils. And scent duration, my bearded brethren, like I said, 8 to 12 hours, solid.
Now let's check out their beard oil.
Let's check out the presentation of their bottles. As you can see, it's in that brown type bottle. This is a 1 ounce bottle. Looks like it has an oil-resistant labeling as well. I love those. Nothing's worse than getting fingerprints on labels and it looks like hell. Like I said, basic information straight to the point. It has their social media contacts. It has what's in there right here as far as carrier oils. Very premium grade carrier oils in there to benefit the skin beneath the beard. It has a light yellow tint to it. Nothing too dark, nothing too light. Another satisfying moment. Comes out perfectly. I would say I'll say light to medium weight oil. Nothing super heavy, nothing super light. When you rub it in the hand, it feels premium. It feels like it's gonna do wonders for your skin. You know what? I like the birthday suit so much. I have so much product in my beard right now from this company. I don't mind putting this right here. It is great, 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 great. Such a satisfying scent. The carrier oils that they utilize in some of their beard oils, which vary sometimes on which one you get, but this one right here has sunflower seed oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, castor oil, rice bran oil, and as well as fragrance oils. If you're going to purchase Mad Max, it actually has different carrier oils. This one has golden jojoba oil. This one I can't see, it's a little blurry. It has Moroccan argan oil, emu oil, which I'm starting to really, really, really love. Sweet almond oil, aloe vera extract, and as well as fragrance oils. And mind you, my bearded brothers, they have a full array of awesome scented products. I'm talking about this. I don't think this is all of them. I'm pretty sure it's not all of them. I highly, highly suggest you check them out on their website as well as Instagram. It gives more of a detailed breakdown if you check them out on their website on the scented products, better than I can. Because like I said, it is kind of hard to describe a scented, a cologne scented product without saying it smells like cologne. These products all smell different. They're all unique to themselves. None of these smell alike. I highly suggest this beard company if you're a huge fan of beard cologne scented products that have alcohol free, that have amazing nourishing properties, hydrating properties for any beard out there. I really, really, really urge you, my beard brothers, to check this company out. Order something, order butter, order an oil. You won't be disappointed. That's all I have for you, my bearded brothers, my brethren to the beard. This is I, the Bearded Jester. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for watching this. I put a lot into it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification.
Follow me on Instagram.
And I'm out of here.